In short, Verizon's 5G Home Plus is worth considering if you're seeking a cable alternative with no contracts, especially in areas where fiber isn't available. Pricing starts at $70 a month for unlimited data, but this can fluctuate, with $10 giga over 22 gigabits. You can see savings by bundling with TV or mobile plans. Prices can drop to $50 to $60 per month. Real-world download speeds average 300 to 500 megabits per second, which is solid for most streaming and browsing needs. Reliability has improved, however, expect to see some latency. For the 70 to 80% of users in good coverage areas, it's a cost-effective option. If you need ultra-fast or mission-critical reliability, explore other alternatives. Note that it may not be worth it for high demand in poor signal locations. Let's break down the specifics. Speed averages 300 to 500 Mbps download and 10 to 50 Mbps upload in optimal conditions. Speeds may vary based on tower proximity, network load, and home layout. Reliability is generally high with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, but latency of 20-50 milliseconds might not suit hardcore gamers. Price-wise, it's competitive with cable, especially when bundled. A premium plan is available for $90 a month that increases data before throttling to 1 terabyte. Remember to check Verizon's coverage map to ensure a strong 5G signal in your area. Consider T-Mobile's home internet as a comparison point. Verizon offers a 1-year warranty, 24/7 customer support, and easy self-installation. Keep an eye on data usage, as exceeding limits can increase your monthly bill.